This is amazing. Furocombo, we made 150% profit. You can see this candle right here at May 13, I got a volume spike right here. And May 15, I got a buyer power. Shares is traded the private list. We bought this coin for 3 cents and you put a sell order up here at 8 cents, 150%. We use a daily resistance. Guys, in order to find those pumps, my software calculates volume spike plus buyer power. I share all my trades in the private list. Trade crypto, volume spike plus buyer power. Let me show the trades I share in the private list. Superpower Squad, Metal Blockchain, Bubblefong, REVOLAND, Token, Furocombo. We just talked about, I just made 150% profit. Guys, I share all my trades in the private list because more people buying the same coin at the same time, price goes up faster. We don't care for the coins. We don't care for that technology. Just follow my Twitter account. I just put a Twitter right here about pepe coin. Okay? Take a look at these coin names. Pepe coin. It sounds joke, but a lot of people make tons of millions of dollars trading this coin right here. We don't care for the coin. We don't care for Bitcoin. That's what we care. For the volume, guys. Take a look at this volume. Superpower. $41 million. Overall, today we made 720% profit. Do you know why? Because we buy before the pump and sell up high. And my software right now is track 5,000 coins. Next trade recap. REVOLAND. Exactly the same strategy, guys. Price go flat, volume spike, buyer power. Buyers control the market. Shares traded the private list was May 8. We bought this coin for 5 cents and put a sell order up here at 17. Our get filled yesterday, we made 220% profit. I made $22,000. Next trade recap is Bubblefong. Exactly same strategy, guys. Daily resistance to find the exit point. So we got a volume spike on 1 hour chart right here. You see volume spike, volume spike, volume spike. I shared this trade in the private list on May 13. We bought this coin for 22 cents and put a sell order right here. Daily resistance 60 cents. I made 150% profit. Guys, I share all my trades in the private list. My software is track the entire market. With this software, I know everything's going on in the market. Take a look how many coins I've been tracking right now. Take a look here. 100% profit. Vega Protocol, 32% profit. XYO, 27% profit. That's how it works, guys. Buy low and sell high. Feel free to reach me out. tradecryptotime@gmail.com. I'll be glad to help you with this journey. Thanks for your time. Have a blessed day.